Welcome students in my new tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to animate the text. It's very easy and it's a fun to animate the text in HTML. So without wasting time, I'll start the tutorial. I have already written some basic codes that you already know just to save the time. And after writing this code, you can click on file because you will be clicking first time save or save as means same. So whenever you click on save as or save, first time it comes like this, and then I have given the name as marquee.html under my students folder, desktop students number 9 folder, and in your case you can take any folder of your choice and then click on save button. Because I have already saved, if I click on save, it will ask okay. For showing you, I'll just click on yes. So just now nothing will come because this is the basic code. So I'll start. This time I want that my BG color is equal to lime and text is equal to maroon. Then I want to use heading tag, that means H1, so that my text should be in bigger size. Now to animate the text, we'll start with Marquee tag. Anything what we type after Marquee will be animated. So slowly and slowly I will explain the attributes also of Marquee tag. So just now simple Marquee I'll type, and then after Marquee I'll write here Sophia Convent School Kalka, and then I'll close the Marquee tag because this is the container tag. And after doing these things, I want to save this program and I want to run the program as earlier I was doing. So I'll open my folder and this is my program. So I'll double click it. So you could see here with the result of Marquee tag, my text Sophia Convent School Kalka has started moving, animating. Nothing I have done, I have just typed Marquee and it will just pass the left screen and again it will come from the right side. It's moving from right to left. I hope this is clear to you. Now I'll be explaining some attributes. Now first of all, one of the attribute is behavior. By default behavior is scroll. If I'll write here scroll, nothing will change because by default only the attribute of behavior is set to scroll. That means the value of behavior is scroll only. So if I'll do the changes, I'll click on save, and then if I'll press F5 function key, nothing will change. Scrolling from right side to left side. It will pass and again it will start coming from right side. So that means if I'll write behavior scroll or if I'll not write anything, it means default it will go from right to left. Default behavior is scroll only. Now what are the other values of behavior? So that I'll show you. But before that I want to increase the speed of the text. For that I can use another attribute scroll amount. I'll use a scroll amount is equal to 30 so that my text should move little faster. I'll click on file, save, and then I'll press F5. So just you could see with the help of that attribute, it started moving fast. Okay, I'll go back to my coding. Now I'll change this scroll. Another value I want to tell you about behavior. Now I want to teach you about slide. Slide. This is the other value of behavior. Only change what I have done, instead of scroll I have made it to slide. And if I'll see the result here, after pressing F5 key, it will touch the screen and it will stop there. So I hope this value is also clear to you, that when I am making it into slide, the value I am giving slide of attribute behavior, it will move from the right side towards the left and it will stop there. Now the other value of behavior attribute is alternate, what I like the most. I'll click on file and save as. Only change I have done here, this alternate. Now I'll go back to my browser screen. I'll press F5 key. Now see the result. After touching the screen, it goes towards the next side. I hope this is clear to you. This coding is clear. I have just told you about all three values of behavior attribute. Now I want to tell you about the direction attribute. So just now by default it is starting from the right side. Now if I use direction is equal to, I click on file and save. After that I had made the direction as right. Now it will start towards the right side. I'll again press F5 key. You could see here, now from left side towards the right side. Earlier it was moving from right side to left side. Now more experiments I can do with this. I want to change it into direction is equal to up. I click on file and save. Now let's see, anything happens? Nothing is happening. But why it's not happening? Why it's not going upside? Just for that I have to do little more changes in my program. I have to use height attribute. Height I am giving it as 500. Now 500 is the pixels, okay? So scroll amount I have used, direction I have used, up, height. Now I'll see the change. I'll press F5. Now you could see it's moving up and then down, up and down. I hope this is clear to you. If I want to move my text, animate my text either upside or downside, then along with it I have to use the height attribute. That is very important. Now if along with this I want that my text should be in the center, what I could do, after Marquee I can use center tag, or I can use div align is equal to center or p align is equal to center, any tag of your choice. My main motive is to take my text in the center. Now just see how practically I'll do it. I'll click on file and save. Just be sure after Marquee use your center or div or p align. I'll click on file and save, and then I'll go here. Now I'll press F5 key. You could see here how it's moving. My text is in center. Now it's moving up and down, up and down. I hope the concept is clear to you. So here I am doing little more changes. I want that my two text should be there which should move in alternate directions. So what I could do, I'm just behavior I want to make it to scroll. which is the default behavior of the animated text. Direction, I am making it down, that means up, down, and then after this I'll just see how it comes here. It's something like this. Then height I am little bit decreasing, 300 I am doing, and then just to save the time I am just copying all these things, and then again I'll paste it, this one, and then what I want to do, direction is equal to up I want to do in the second coding where I want to use the Marquee. Rest all is same, just direction is equal to up, height is again same. Now just see the result. Click on file and save. F5, you could see the result. One text is coming from the top, that means from top to the bottom it's going, and one text is coming from the bottom to the top. With this you can just play any kind of animations on the text. Just try yourself and make more kind of animations. These animations can also be applied on the images that I'll be teaching you afterwards. So with this I am closing my tutorial. I hope you will like this animation and you will love to try this. And at last, if you like my explanation and tutorial, please do like, share and comment, and also subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it earlier. Okay, bye bye, take care, meet you soon with the next tutorial.